Now, making a vegetable soup is very simpler than I thought. Now, this is the simplest way that I make this vegetable soup. So, first, what I do is I begin with making the vegetable stock. So, for the vegetable stock here, as I can see, I've taken 1 liter water, and in which I'll be adding in 2 cubes of ready-made vegetable stock. Now, making this vegetable stock cube also is very simple. If you want me to make a recipe on that, please leave a comment below and I will do so. Now, after adding the cubes, you just need to boil or simmer the water for around 5 to 10 minutes and your stock is ready. Now, here for the vegetable soup, I use some basic vegetable. Now, these are capsicum, carrots, beans, broccoli, and some spring onions. Now, this one is very optional. So, what I do is I like to add some macaroni pasta in most of my soups. So, here I'm boiling some macaroni pasta with some salt. Okay, we'll keep this aside while we are making the soup. So, while the soup is being prepared, your pasta will be ready. So now once all your ingredients are ready and all your vegetables are cut, you can start making your soup. So here I've taken a thick pot in which I've heated some oil, and here I've added in around 4 to 5 garlic cloves which I've finely chopped, along with 1 inch ginger which is also finely chopped. Now I'll saute this for a while, making sure I don't burn them and I don't make them dark brown. So here goes in the green onion or the red onion. If you don't have this, you don't have to worry. You can just add in the regular onion, just small piece of it, just finely chop it and saute it with the ginger and garlic. And now let's start adding the vegetables. So here goes in the carrots and the beans. I'll just saute the carrots and beans. Now the idea here is to not overcook the vegetable, because while having the soup, we need the crunchiness of all the vegetables. So we'll just saute this for around 30 seconds to a minute, and now goes in the vegetable stock. So you can use as much stock as you want, and if your stock is remaining, you don't have to worry. You can keep it in the refrigerator and you can reuse it. Now during monsoons and winters, you get that urge of having soup, and this vegetable soup is very healthy and it's very delicious. My daughter loves this. My wife loves this, and so do I. It tastes amazing. Now we'll give it a little spicy flavor with this chili sauce. I'm not adding much. I've just added in 1 teaspoon of it. Now if you don't have a green chili sauce, you don't have to worry. You can just add in 1 green chili. You can finely chop it, and while you're sauteing the ginger and garlic, you can add the green chili finely chopped and saute it with the ginger garlic. As you can see, I haven't added any salt here because the stock already has salt, and we can always adjust it later. Now at this point, I add in the broccoli because I don't want the broccoli to be very soft. Okay, so I need the green color as well as the crunchy texture of the broccoli. So at this stage, I add in the broccoli. We don't have much cooking to do now. I'll just check for salt and adjust the salt if needed. Now at this stage, your soup is done. Okay, though it looks watery, the soup is very flavorful. You can just adjust the salt and you can serve it for yourself. But if you want to make the soup thick as I want to, you can add in cornstarch. Now for the cornstarch, in a bowl I've taken water and I've added 2 tablespoons of corn flour, and I've made this cornstarch. I will add this as required, and I'll just simmer this for a while until the soup thickens. Now this is an optional choice. If you want, you can skip this part. Now adding in pepper powder is very important. So here goes in some pepper powder. You can add in some now and you can add some later while you're serving the soup. And now we will add in the boiled macaroni pasta. As you can see, the macaroni pasta is boiled thoroughly. I will add this into the soup. And that's it, our soup is ready. We'll just simmer it for a while and we will serve it hot. By the way, excuse me for my rough voice. I'm having a sore throat from the last 15 days. Today it's better, and that's the reason I thought of recording my video and uploading it. Okay, but I'm so sorry if it's irritating. And yes, the soup is ready and we will serve it hot. Do try this recipe yourself. Do try making this soup yourself. If you have kids at home, this is the best way to feed them vegetable. It's yummy, it's tasty. Do let me know in the comments below how you like this recipe, how you like this video. Leave a comment, share this video with your friends and family. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Till then, my name is Stan. I will see you next time.